What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Solana, guys. We're up almost 6%, moving upwards nicely here. We're sitting at 219. We're sitting on a market cap of 65.81 billion, 24-hour volume 2.59 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. And you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cash back in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. Depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we can see we've come back up to 216. Now, if you're using our DCA strategy, we had a buy zone at 216, we had a buy zone at 188, brought your average price down to about 200. So currently you're in profit about 8%. So that's a pretty good little trade opportunity if you're looking to take profit at this level. Now I'm going to drop in another take profit zone, just because there's a high likelihood if we continue to come up, that we come up, we hit resistance, we fall back on support, and we see continuation. So we could definitely squeeze in another trade there, in my opinion. It's not financial advice, guys. It's just for reference. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. So we had that bullish divergence on the 4-hour, and it's played out. And you can see we're starting to trend towards 70, and once we reach over 70, we're trending towards overbought, and usually you're going to see a move back down. Not always, guys. As you can see here, we came up, we trended into overbought. We did see a move back down, but we saw some consolidation, and then we broke out. But there's trades in here as well, right? You sell here, you buy here, you sell here, you buy here, you sell here, you buy here. So like 4 or 5 trade opportunities in that level of consolidation. So we met our target from our double bottom pattern. Now we do have an inverse head and shoulders here. So you have your left shoulder, guys, you have your big juicy head, and you have your right shoulder. So if we drop in our neckline here, this is a pretty large pattern, guys, for Solana, all the way up to the neckline, to our breakout. Would bring us, yeah, see how it brings us just above this take profit zone? So I would keep an eye on that. I'll drop in a little price target there. That's definitely where I would be looking to take some profits on my trade. Right at about 231, your technical target is here at about 235 for Sol. So let's look at the larger time frames. We're here on the daily, beautifully holding this trend line of support. You can see we're almost having the bullish cross of the MACD over the signal line. It's curling up. Once we see that bullish cross, strong sign of our next pump here for Solana. We're starting to get back above the 20 EMA. So hopefully what we want to see going into tomorrow is we have a daily close above the 20 EMA. Beautiful sign of continuation, beautiful sign of strength for Sol. We have this large double bottom, also kind of an ascending triangle pattern. If we break our neckline, our target is up here at 272. And I believe I've already given you your next impulsive wave. You go from the previous swing high down to your swing low if this is our true bottom. The 1.618 lines up with the larger Fibonacci pulled from September, and that's sitting at about 325. And we have our price targets for Sol based off our Elliott wave theory at 506. If you're new to Elliott wave theory, I had a couple commenters. Jax, what's Elliott wave theory? Please do your research on it. There's incredible videos on YouTube, and there's incredible information on Google. I know I have a lot of returning subscribers, so I don't want to bore them by explaining things that I've already explained in the past. So our target is 506 on this bull run for Solana. It's looking really good, guys. Even if we look here on the weekly, it's really healthy that we went through that correction. We allowed the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candles. We come back down. We come up to the 1.272, fall back down to the 0.786. Boom, continuation up to the 1.618 and beyond. All right, guys. So that's it for this one. Quick shout out to the Discord. Do keep an eye on our bearish divergence here on the weekly. It does signify that we're reaching the top of our bull run. We start to see a large bearish divergence on the weekly time frame. So we come up to 500 here, and we continue to create lower highs on the RSI, and that will take us into our bear market, in my opinion. We could go a little bit higher than 500, of course, but 500 is our target. So shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee, and you can sign up through the Patreon. Really can't beat it. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.